I have a Daiso, Home Goods, and Dollar Tree haul. And Mr. Retros is here.
Howdy.
Victor's back there guarding his little nub of a chew bone, so he can't join us. Maybe later. But I went to Daiso. I got a few things. It's a decent store.
Yeah, it was okay.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Yeah.
You know, and it's parking and everything, so it's cool. And Mr. Retro's got these footy pads, which actually I need on some of these chairs over here, so they don't scratch your floors. So these are nice. And everything's $1.75 unless it's marked something else. Then I got another one of these Hangiadon. I like him. He's Sanrio, but look at him.
Hey, I could use one of those for to put my magazines in for the
Oh yeah,
summer.
yeah. You can have it. It's cool. I think he's from outer space, and this is Cootie Cootie, which is a squid. Cootie Cootie.
Oh,
Yeah, it's Cootie Cootie. Yeah, but I like this guy. He's
you
cute.
don't want it?
Oh, but if you can use it, you can have it. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh. Yeah, because oh, here's a nice big shot.
What does that say?
Hangiadon. Look at his face. It's awesome. Look at it. Look at it.
I see it.
See? It's nice. Okay, yeah, you can have that.
Okay.
And I really like it. It's so much that I got the... Do you want a patch for your bag? Look at this one. He's really cute. You know, I like that lazy egg one, too.
Yeah.
I can never pronounce his name. Guyadon or Gutama or something.
Lazy egg.
We call him lazy egg. These are supposed to be for your shoes. You could put these on your shoes. And this is just another nice patch. It's just his face. So I think he's really cute. These are nice. And what else did I get? Oh, I got this. This is to put on your Swiffer. This cleaning never ends. And I think it's just got, it's got like this, and you just push them into the Swiffer things. I have Swiffers, but this one you can rewash, and it's microfiber, so it might be really good for these floors. You get with the AC and stuff blowing, then you get these dust things. It's just, I don't like it. So here we go. That's what I got at Daiso. Then I went to Dollar Store. Our Dollar Store is starting to get the, what do they call it? It's the more expensive $5. This one was $3. He was just putting this stuff out. Ours never had it.
It's gone now.
Oh yeah, it's gone. Is that tape? Yeah, there's tape in there. I like the ghost. They had a pumpkin, and I think they had a cat. I didn't see the cat, but I like this ghost. He's sort of a knockoff of the Carnival Cottage from Joanna Parker, which I love. I heard that Joanna Parker and Magenta are splitting ways, so I don't know if her stuff is going to be made by a different company or what the deal is. But I like this. And it's $3 on that. And then they had this. I've seen this. And here, dear man. This is really cute. This one was $5. And they had a black one and a purple one. But I like this ghost one. And let's see, it's got a light, but you could put a Terry's Village type light in. It's cute though. Oh, it's cute. It's cute. I went through all my Halloween stuff, purged, and got it all stored in my cupboards, in the top shelves. Deep storage. So I'm pretty excited. There you go. So I like that a lot too. It's pretty good for the Dollar Tree. And I went to Home Goods. They were in full effect. I'll post some pictures of their shelves. Were pretty glutted. Although they didn't have there's an acrylic ghost that's about this big that I like the looks of, but they didn't have that. And there was a picker in there, some big guy in there going zoo 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 all through the store, looking at all the Halloween stuff. You know, they get it and they put it on Poshmark, Mercari. He's probably looking for those cupcakes and cashmere throws, which they didn't have any here in this town. This is so good. Let me see if I wrap it for you. They had some cute stuff. I got the best. I got the best. This is not Joanna Parker, but oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's called Spooked. They had 3 of these. And it's called Potter Studio. It's $12.99. Ooh. I don't know. Huh, hand wash. But that's really cute. It sort of goes with my bowl. Can you grab me that little bowl? I'll put it. That one's Joanna Parker, Carnival Cottage. But I think he's growling. I think it would pair well. Yes. These cute. Look how cute they are. Yeah. So this was cool. You know, their stuff is like a mile wide and an inch deep there. Well, there's a lot of stuff that I don't want, but this was, I like that. Then I got these. I saw these in Pretty and Flawed, did a haul. So they only had, I got the frosted, they only had one frosted. It's acrylic, it was $3.99. One frosted. It's really cute. Really cute. Cool. Yeah, and then they had one clear. They had the pink. Yeah, they had the pink ones, but I don't like the pink ones.
I like the clear.
I like the clear too. Look how cute that is. You could even serve like candies in that or whatever. This is very, very cute, and they're acrylic. Yeah, I was shocked to find these. Yeah, there's a ghost that's like this acrylic.
Yeah, too bad you didn't.
I didn't find that. I might have to. This is called my Goblin and Ghoul. Yeah, $3.99. They had some little glasses, stemless wine glasses type that were sort of like this, but they weren't that cute. You know, they look like some you get at the dollar store. These are a Pottery Barn knockoff. There's only one set, or I would have gotten 2 sets. So these are the hand-blown glasses with the bats. They had ones with pumpkins, but I'm not big on pumpkins. But these bats are really cute. Yeah, they have these at West Elm and Pottery Barn. Not this brand. I mean, they have their brand. I think CB2 has them too. But these are knockoffs. That's okay. These will be cute. So, that's it. I'm pretty excited. I actually found something. It was thrilling.
I like these.
Yeah, these are really neat. If I find some more, I will grab them. That frosted one is really ringing my bells. But this is nice too. I like them both. So, I will see you later. You got anything, Mr. Retros?
No.
Okay, I'll see you later. Cheers.